Hello, my friends. Are you ready to do a number talk about the number 4 today? All right, let's get to it. On this 10 frame up here, I have my dots. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 dots all together. 4 dots on my 10 frame. Let's write that down. But if I look, I can also see, I notice that we have 2 color groups. We have a green group and a blue group. How many in the green group? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Let's write that down. 3. Bump, bump. And I want to put it together with the blue group. So 1 blue group. I'm going to write that down. Now I'm going to write down my and sign to show that I'm going to join those 2 groups together. So 3 and 1 more makes 4. Let's read that. 3 and 1 makes 4. Ah, good job. Are you ready for the next one? Let's look at the next 10 frame down here. I see the square. Now, if you remember, when you subbatize, the square on a dice means the number 4. So I know that this is 4. I don't have to count it. I'm going to subbatize it. That is 4. I'm going to write that down. 4. Now I can look inside the number 4 and I see 2 groups. I see the blue group and I see the green group. How many in the blue group? Did you say 2? Because it is number 2. There are 2 in the blue group. And how many in the green group? Did you say 2? You are right. There are 2 inside the blue group. I'm going to put my and sign. And let's read it. 2 and 2 makes 4. 2 and 2, but all together, I have 4 dots. Let's look up here on our dice. So on this dice, again, I have that square. Subbatize it. How many? 4. Good job. But now let's look at the groups. I have a blue group and a green group. Let's do the green group first. How many in the green group? Did you say 1? You are right. There is 1 in the green group. Then how many in the blue group? Did you say 3? Because you are right. There are 3. Now I'm going to put my and sign down. And let's read this. 1 and 3 together makes 4. 1. And then this blue group of 3, but when I put it together, there's 4 dots. Let's do our last dice down here. So again, I see that square. Let's subbatize. When you see the square, it's 4. Write that down if you can. So we have 4 there, but we have groups. I see groups. How many in the blue group? There's 2. And how many in the green group? 2 again. Let's write down our and sign between the 2 groups of 2. We have 2 and 2, but together we have 4 dots. Great job. Let's practice on our fingers. Are you ready? I'm going to move this out of the way. If I have 3 on this hand, how many fingers should I put on this hand to make 4? 3 and 1 more. 3 and 1 makes 4. If I have 2 on this hand, how many do I need on this hand to make 4? 1 more? No, that's only 3. 1, 2, and 3. No, put that back. 2 more? 2 and 2 together makes 4. Good job. 2 and 2 is 4. Let's try 1 more. Ready? I've got 3 on this hand. And how many on this hand? 1 more. 3 and 1 together makes 4. Now I'm going to challenge you. What if I have 1 on this hand? How many on this hand? 1 more? Is that 4? No. 2 more? Is that 4? Nope, that's only 3. 3 more? 1, 2, 3. 1 more makes 4. So 3 and 1 together makes 4. Can you get out your materials? Can you get out your 10 frames? Maybe your colored counters or your pom-poms? Could you play with your colors and make groups of 4 in different ways? Try 3 and 1. Try 2 and 2. Maybe try 4 and 0 together makes 4. Show me what you can do. Have fun!